Hey everybody, Merry Christmas and welcome to part 2 of my 2-part Christmas wrapping series where I watch viral videos on TikTok of people doing really cool wrapping ideas for Christmas presents, and they're really good at what they do. I'm just a regular person who has no idea how to do origami or anything special. If you want to watch me struggle while I do these and see if anything's worthwhile for you to try, then just keep watching. I am going to try this one. It looks like another origami type wrapping situation, which if you saw my last one, they're very tedious. They're harder than they look. So I don't know, let's hope this one's a little bit easier, but my expectations are low. So these are for my niece. I'm going to wrap these up with this cool pattern because it's kind of a similar shape to what she was doing here. I'm gonna use this white and gold wrapping paper because this is the other part of the gift, so these will go well. This was another one that I did from a TikTok video. So yeah, these two look nice. To start, she goes from the bottom up and then folds it over. And it looks like she has quite a bit on either side as well. So halfway up here and then halfway here. So I need to cut a little bit off. Fold paper half over the gift and push sides in to form triangles. I'm assuming that's like this. That's the idea. Okay, so she folds this triangle over the gift. Okay, that's a better triangle. Wait. So the triangle really needs to be pressed like when you're in this position, because when you fold over, you want this to fold over nicely. And then this side is the same thing. Like this. Flip and repeat on the other side. So this folds, but I think I have too much here because it's going to overlap a lot of the triangle. So I'm going to cut more off. So now I'm going to go like this. The only problem is like, what is this? Okay, we'll just trust the process.
Dear negativity, close the door on your way out.
Now we have that over there. This and this. Fold triangles towards in and tape. Okay, so then these triangles go in. Oh, that looks nice, except for this. Hopefully that gets covered. And this goes in. Oh, shoot. This area looks great, but then I don't know what happened here. Oh, God. Okay, so I don't know. Your lines have to be so perfect to get it right. Angles are wrong. Okay. Okay, this is much better. This one is not great, but I don't think I'm gonna try and get that perfect. So then you tape here. You should definitely do like a double-sided tape because it's gonna kind of ruin it. And just bring that over. And there we go. Not bad. I think this would look better with a solid color. Also, if I had to fix this. I give this one 3 out of 5 candy canes because it's not that easy to get those triangles perfect. It's actually really hard and it doesn't look good with all patterned paper. This next one, I think I'm going to try this. I'm going to use a jewelry box and I'm actually just going to use some plain white printing paper. She folds it in a specific way and then kind of uses like washi tape and some other things to decorate the top part. So this is what it looks like at the end. It is super cute. For this next item that I'm gonna wrap, I actually got some pieces sent to me from Ana Luisa. They sell quality jewelry, but at an affordable price. And they have some really cool designs. They're always adding new ones. I'll show you some of the ones that I got. This one is definitely my favorite. It has little snakes and they are earring studs. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing these for Christmas dinner. And then I got a few little Huggies as well. And they always come in this little pouch. It's kind of like a nice extra. Got these little Huggies. These ones are gold on the back, but then they have like a black. So when you wear them, you would see the black part, but then you kind of see the gold like hint behind it. And then these ones are just plain gold Huggies. I really like the small hoops because I have 6 holes in my right ear and then 4 in my left. So I tend to wear just a lot of hoops, but I mix them up. I don't like them to all be the same. And then lastly, these are my other favorite pair. They have like a emerald color stone there. Their pieces start at $39 and go up. So there's something for everybody. I actually have worked with them before in the past, and I have a pair of earrings that are my go-to. They're my absolute favorite, and as someone with sensitive ears, these ones don't hurt my ears, which is great. So I highly recommend this pair that I'm wearing here because they are so cute. They're kind of like a statement without being so big and in your face. So for this present, I think I'm actually going to gift these two together because I think this emerald Huggy with this snake is just an amazing combination. So if you want to check out any of these pieces yourself, maybe you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas and you want to treat yourself to a belated Christmas gift, make sure to check out the link in my description box. Ana Luisa has a sale on from now until the 30th of December for 20% off the whole website. However, if you missed that sale, no problem, because you can use my coupon code, which is also in the description box, and you'll get 20% off that way. So thanks, Ana Luisa, for sending me these. These will make a great gift. And again, make sure to check out Ana Luisa and use my code SarahTypes20 for 20% off. Okay, so I have my earring set in this cute little Ana Luisa pouch. It is also green, which kind of works perfectly for the season. I bought this box from Michael's and it fits this little pouch perfectly. As you can see, it just sits in there, no problem. So that's what I'm gonna use to wrap the gift. However, when you order from Ana Luisa, they do ship it in just like this plain brown box, which is also quite small, so you could just reuse the box that they ship the earrings in and wrap that one. I don't know if this is going to be a big enough sheet of paper for this project because hers is smaller, but I guess we'll see. I'm using this paper. It is reversible. It's not exactly what I wanted, but here we are. Okay, so this one I think I need to cut. So I folded this side over. Let's try this tape again. Okay. Okay, so then she takes this and folds it over, maybe here. Okay, and I think I need to trim this so that it's a little bit more even on both sides. All right, I think that's good enough. So these go in. This is always really hard for me. Okay, so this is what I got. And then she goes in, and then she cuts right across here. And then she folds it under, which is difficult for my case because this is such a little area. I'll try and do this like here. So this time I tried to make the back smaller than the front so that when the front folds over, you don't see any of the back sides showing. So then you get cleaner edges here. I did buy some festive washi tape. I use this little slot for a little card, it is a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Watch when I unroll this washi tape, and then when you finally do, there's like a whole bunch of paper. So maybe this one can go here. Okay, in hers, she has like a little flower, but I'm gonna see if I can maybe put like a piece of my Christmas tree there. One sec. Okay, I went foraging and found this for my Christmas tree, and then these from a little lavender plant. Like, she just taped it here to match up the little design. You got a place for your card, you got some foliage, and you have a cool design. And you have an awesome present inside, so win-win. I give this one 5 out of 5 candy canes because it was actually pretty easy and there's so many ways you can customize it, and it even has a slot for a card. What more can you ask for? This next one I'm gonna do is for a candle or something cylindrical. I made this resin kind of container thing with some pressed flowers for my sister's wedding. So it's not a candle, but it's like the exact same shape as a candle, and it's also a really nice gift. Okay, so she has a long piece and then she's kind of snipped along the sides. She doesn't say how tall it should be, but I'm assuming it doesn't need to be that tall, so I'm gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna assume cut along the long edge. So she folds it in half, just brings this over. She cuts around, so she like cut here. And then she wraps the candle around it. I'm just gonna tape this. So she just pushes these all in, just like that. Okay. Ah! Okay. And then she folds those in like really nicely. Okay, I don't know how the hell she got this. Okay, hang on. So see how she made that top part look so good? Yeah. I wouldn't do that one. This next one is actually a little bit of a hack of what to do with extra paper. As you know, I have a bunch of it from doing this video. So I'm gonna quickly wrap this. This for my sister. Pathology Rose Chill All Day eye patches. In this video, she has a long piece of scrap paper and then she folds it in half and cuts it into a fish-like shape. This is long piece. Looks like she cut with the fish head on the folded side. And she cuts a triangle at the end. Two slits on either side and place them together. Here, here. And then place them together. Oh, and then you go like this, like this. Then you just go like this around this way. This on the back. Do this. And there's your bow. I think if you cut the fish a little bit like a bigger curve, you might have a nicer shape, but it works and it's a cute way to use up your leftover paper. I give this one 5 out of 5 candy canes because it's super easy. Anyone can do it. It's a great way to use up those paper scraps. It looks really cute. It kind of looks like a professional did it. So I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle through wrapping these presents and maybe got some ideas for your own presents. If you missed my first video, go watch that one. And I think I'm going to be having a video shortly of me just hand lettering name cards for all of these presents. I have a lot of experience with calligraphy and lettering, so why not put that to good use? And I'm thinking of doing just like a calm kind of like ASMR style video. So I'll make sure to link that when that's ready and put it in the description box. Otherwise, I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.